Welcome to Women's Health Matters, Gender Lens in Innovation Summit number 3. We are excited to continue to advocate for women's health technological innovation and invite you to listen closely to our speakers who are as passionate about inclusive healthcare as we are. Dr. Sofia Ivarsson from Vinnova, the Swedish innovation agency, Shunita Gmon, a PhD candidate at the Technion, Catherine Folkent, founder and CEO of Femtech Insider and Perla Health, Nitzan Bernstein, co-founder and co-CEO of Endometriosis Israel, and my partner and co-founder of Nogafem, Dr. Ronel Klingman. A few housekeeping rules before we start. Comments and questions are welcome on the chat. The speaker will answer your questions during the panel discussion at the second part of the event. Hebrew subtitle translation is available for Hebrew speakers. Click the CC Live Transcript button on Zoom called Show Subtitle. You can reposition the subtitles by dragging them. Nogafem is an NGO with an agenda for inclusive healthcare for women that includes the incorporation of sex and gender into research, design thinking, and technologies to match high unmet needs in women's health and to deliver personalized solutions. We push the boundaries of innovation and matchmake founders to investors to fuel investment in women's health.
We have a growing community of about 1,300 professionals who are partnering with us to effect this change. Our partners come from various parts of the ecosystem, as well as being our ears and eyes on the ground to find out where the real needs are. Nogafem is increasingly becoming recognized as an international body in the women's health ecosystem. We were cited as a femtech organization in the 2021 Q4 Femtech Analytics Report. We were recognized part of the Israeli health ecosystem in women's health, and we are also considered a community of practice by the Karolinska Institute on gendered innovation and Act on Gender.
Over the course of the last year, we've hosted or participated in more than 10 key femtech events, both global and local. We participated in courses, webinars, and we are currently part of the Women's Health #2 steering committee for the conference in July, where we are hosting our own session and panel. What's next? Stay tuned for more exciting and innovative projects coming your way in 2022. We are hosting the first ever Women's Health 51 Challenge. Watch this space for the upcoming news. Top highlights from our survey conducted in Women in Israel are an important pain point for our webinar tonight. For Endometriosis Awareness Month and for International Women's Day, treating women equitably, fairly, and without conscious and subconscious bias is a must, and we still have a long way to go. We call on you, our community, to join our movement for change and intensify your efforts to support us. Donate your time, your expertise, and your resources, both financial and in kind, to support our activities as we change the future for women.